Where are we camping today? Henry Rivers Mill. It's where they filmed the Hunger Games. And then we're going to camp at an old scale station. Or I guess what you call them, old scales, where you used to pull in to check your weight of your tractor and trailer. It's off I-40. So we'll be camping on I-40 this evening to see how it goes. Don't look. I don't want us both to be embarrassed.
night strolling, far from home, and horizon looking like a sunset dream. Midnight talking, water crashing, evening feeling like a postcard scene. 'Cause it's just us two, dancing with the moon, my arms wrapped around you. Moon is lighting, sea of diamonds, I can tell the difference to your eyes. Morning's coming, we're not rushing, lie with you until the end of time. When it's just us two, dancing with the moon, my arms wrapped around you.
Can you hear the water? Yeah, there's a dam down here. I didn't realize there was all that. Doesn't show it on the map. But if you like historical places and old structures and houses and knowing about old communities, come down and check it out here, I guess. And if you just like the Hunger Games, come and check it out. So we made it. As you can see, there is just why throw all your trash out? There's like, look at all those tires. But as you can see, I'm camped. We'll see how it works out for tonight. I hope it's not as bad as the other. It's pretty loud, but it's got a row of trees in front of it. So let's explore and see what we can find.
How's smoke going, honey?
Hey, this is a pretty easy place to find, ain't it?
I should have brought my damn fan, shouldn't I?
Yeah, you could have stayed all night. See ya. I guess the airport's nearby and I can't take off. This sucks. So tonight we're having like a chicken fajita. We'll cut some of this up, put it in a bowl. We'll put some bacon bits on it. Gonna put some cheese in it. Some cream cheese. Well, they're cooked, so let's see how they taste. Probably could use a little less cream cheese. Not bad at all though. That's real good. So camping at the abandoned way station ain't too bad. My door's open, my fire's still going. I just want to say, really had a good time. My buddy Alan stopped by. He called and asked where I was at, and I was just a few exits up from his house. So got to spend some time with him. Tried to fly the drone, but there's an airport nearby and it will not let your drone go up at all. So didn't get to get any footage with the drone. But it wasn't a bad day. It wasn't a bad day at all. The Henry River Mill, I mean, check it out. Even if you don't watch Hunger Games, check it out. It's a pretty cool little town, and it's got a lot of history. Like, it didn't have electricity or water, and people were still using outhouses, and it's just a cool little place. Well, there's not much for me to do. I'm gonna use my phone to watch some YouTube videos and probably just chill out and try to get some sleep. Until next time, I'll see you again.